Hi everyone, welcome to Learn Online. I am your trainer today, Praveen Jadhav. Guys, the questions have been already passed on to you in the Telegram channel. Multiple choice questions आपको दिए गए हैं. तो हमारा यहाँ पर intention क्या है? Yes, 10 questions a day keeps the GK fear away. So SLC CGL का main focus रहेगा यहाँ पे. Previous year question papers will be taking up. It is not that सिर्फ SSC CGL के लिए है. Any other competitive exam like banking, IBPS, PO, RRB, काफी exams के लिए ये GK question papers काम आएंगे. Here we'll be discussing 10 questions today. बस 10 क्वेश्चन की बात नहीं है यहाँ पे. We'll be also discussing forward and backward linkages, which are going to help us solve many other questions. So now, let's get started with our questions today. Okay. What is the first question that we have here? Previous 5 questions have already been done. पिछले 5 क्वेश्चन हो चुके हैं जिन पे हमने काफी डिस्कशन किया था. हमने बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व्स के ऊपर और रामसर कन्वेंशन के साइट्स के ऊपर डिस्कस किया था एंड डांस फॉर्म्स के ऊपर डिस्कस किया था और वी आल्सो हैड लुक्ड इनटू आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन वेयर ऑल व्हाट ऑल वी हैव डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम, कहाँ से क्या लिया गया है वगैरह वो भी डिस्कस किया था और वेरियस पासेस डिस्कस किए थे हमने और ऑलोट्रोपिज्म के बारे में डिस्कस किया था. आज हम छठे क्वेश्चन पे पहुंचे हैं. दिस इज अ प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर गाइस and it is very important. जी को आप बिल्कुल नेग्लेक्ट नहीं कर सकते. Let's get started with our first question today. क्या बोलता है? Name the first ever female prime minister of the world. Prime minister in the world. यहाँ पे फोकस कीजिए. In the world लिखा गया है. So guys, what is your answer? Your answer must be श्रीमावो बंदार नायके. ये ऐसा एक क्वेश्चन है जिसमें आपको पता है तो पता है वरना नहीं पता है तो नहीं पता, बिकॉज इट इज प्योरली फैक्ट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. इफ यू हैव एवर गॉन थ्रू हर नेम श्रीमावो बंदार नायके देन यू विल नो, और एल्स छोड़ देना बेहतर है. यस, इट इज बेटर टू स्किप द क्वेश्चन इफ इट अपीयर्स इन द एग्जामिनेशन. एंड यहाँ पे तुक्केबाजी बिल्कुल नहीं चलेगी दोस्तों. नाउ she was the first prime minister in the world, and to understand a few facts here, she was elected in the year 1960. Ceylon, prime minister of which country? Ceylon now today it is called Sri Lanka. Yes. Now, other than this question, if you are asked tomorrow who was the first female prime minister of India, then you all know it is Indira Gandhi. And if you are asked about the president, who was the first female president of India, then it is Pratibha. It is Pratibha Patil. Now, let's move ahead with the next question that we have here. And what does it say? Are, धीरे भाई. Yes. Which panel set up by the government of India suggested total decontrol of sugar industry? राम सेवक पैनल, राधे श्याम पैनल, श्री कृष्णा पैनल, रंगराजन पैनल. आप अपने आंसर के पास तैयार हो जाइए. यस, राम सेवक, रंगराजन. द आंसर हियर इज रंगराजन पैनल. द आंसर हियर गाइस इज रंगराजन पैनल. यस, रंगराजन पैनल आपको यहाँ पे यू मेनी ऑफ यू वुड हैव गॉट कंफ्यूज्ड. रंगराजन, काफी बार रंगराजन कमेटी का नाम सुना होगा आपने, जो कि पावर्टी के बारे में बात करता है. यस, देयर इज रंगराजन कमेटी which was constituted after Tendulkar committee to look into poverty in India. But Rangarajan panel is also associated with decontrol of sugar industry in India. One major fact to remember here is that India contributes 17% of the total world production of 17% of total world production of sugarcane. But to exports, To exports, sugarcane contributes meagerly 14% in India. So to bridge this gap, there was this step was considered to be a major step wherein decontrol of sugar industry was suggested by the Rangarajan panel. Yes. Now आगे बढ़ते हैं हमारे next question के साथ. In India, what does it say? The next question says, okay, here. In India, the Project Tiger was started in. Again, a fact-based question. And the option correct answer here is 1973. 1973. Very good. Those of you answered it right. Very good. The Project Tiger was started in the year 1973. Yes. Today, the tiger population in India, let's figure out few things. Tiger population today, tiger population today is around is 2697, and it is highest where tiger population is highest in which national park in India? If it is asked, it is Jim Corbett. जिम कॉर्बेट. जिम कॉर्बेट में टाइगर का पॉपुलेशन सबसे ज्यादा है. कितना है? 231. वेयर इज जिम कॉर्बेट? यू मस्ट बी नोइंग इट. इट इज इन उत्तराखंड. अगर नहीं पता है तो याद रखिए, जिम कॉर्बेट नेशनल पार्क इज इन उत्तराखंड. लेट्स सी अ फ्यू अदर फैक्ट्स. कुछ और भी देखते हैं इसके साथ. 20th century, in the beginning of the 20th century, the population of the tiger in India was somewhere around, was accounted as to be 4,000, 40,000. पर इतना कम हो गया है, इतना कम हो गया है. It is mainly because of poaching and deaths of tiger due to electrical fences in 2016-18. In this brief period, most of the deaths were either natural or because of rail accident or electrocution. Yes, इसको मेजर रीजन माना गया है. पोचिंग हालांकि बहुत कंट्रोल में आ गया है आफ्टर लॉट्स ऑफ स्टेप्स टेकन बाय द गवर्नमेंट. यहाँ पर हमको एक चीज याद रखना है, दैट इज टाइगर सेंसस. टाइगर सेंसस, लाइक ह्यूमन पॉपुलेशन सेंसस इज डन एवरी 10 years, बट टाइगर सेंसस कब, कितने साल में एक बार किया जाता है, ये पूछा जा सकता है. इट इज डन once in 4 years. once in 4 years. And who does it if it asked? कौन करता है अगर पूछा जाए? Who does it if it is asked? Then you should be able to answer that it is National Tiger Conservation Authority. Tiger Conservation Authority. Now guys, National Tiger Conservation Authority. Now, when was the first tiger census conducted? It was conducted in the year 2006. When was the most recent? When was the last tiger census conducted? It was conducted in 2018, and that was fourth. That was the fourth. Now, if I ask you when will be the next one conducted, you guys have to answer. When will the next one be conducted? Well, guys, yes. Now, have a look at the next question. What does it say? Who was the first ever female Secretary General of SAARC? Look, too much prominence. यहाँ पे आपको देख सकते हो तो महिलाओं के बारे में काफी एम्फोसिस किया गया था इस पेपर में पर्टिकुलरली. तो यहाँ पर आप आंसर अपना रेडी रखिए. आंसर 1 एंटोनियो गुटरेस. नहीं, ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता. फातिमा दियान सईद, पता नहीं. जर्मेनिया नाइमने किंग्सले, Madalena Albright. The answer here is Fatimat Dian Said. Fatimat Dian Said. She is an Maldivian diplomat. Maldivian diplomat. Who was the first ever female Secretary General of SAARC? Since the inception of the SAARC, since the inception of the SAARC, Fatimat Dian Said was the first Maldivian diplomat who became the Secretary General of SAARC. This is very important. You will have to remember here. Next question that we have here is, which of the following states passed the maintenance of household registers bill in March 2019? Because this is a 2019 question paper, करंट अफेयर से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर काफी आए हुए हैं. Yes, and the answer here is Mizoram. The answer here is Mizoram. ये what was the purpose of this? ये काफी infiltration होता है. Mizoram being a boundary between uh, it is it is a boundary of our nation. So यहाँ पर काफी migrant workers अंदर आ जाते हैं. So the aim of this register was to create details, name, photographs, ऐसे काफी details लेके on household basis पे household basis पे uh, name, photographs, so that the leakage of the schemes and advantage of the schemes are rightly reaching mm, the Indian citizens. This step was taken by Mizoram. Maintenance of household registers bill was passed in 2019 by which state? Mizoram. Which of the following public sector undertaking was accorded the Maharatna status in 2019? I have modified this question a little bit. Uh, so here, just have a look. Which one was it? BHEL, OIL, NIACL, Hindustan Petroleum. In 2019, मैंने पूछा है यहाँ पे. The answer, please. It is Hindustan Petroleum. Hindustan Petroleum. Whoever marked Hindustan Petroleum, you guys have answered it perfectly right. Now, in not only Hindustan Petroleum, Power Grid Corp, Power Grid Corp was also given Maharatna status in the year 2019. What does it do? Maharatna status देने से क्या हो जाता है? It gives greater operation and financial operation and financial autonomy to the companies. Now, डिसीजन मेकिंग पावर काफी ज्यादा हो जाता है, फाइनेंशियल ऑटोनॉमी भी इनका काफी बढ़ जाता है महारत्ना स्टेटस मिलने पे. देयर इज वन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट यू हैव टू नोट हियर, दैट इज हु गिव्स दिस स्टेटस. Ministry of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises is responsible. Ministry of Heavy Industries, Ministry of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises. Yes, gives this, and criteria is very important. महारत्ना स्टेटस मिलने के लिए महारत्ना स्टेटस मिलने के लिए क्राइटेरिया क्या है पूछा जा सकता है. देयर माइट बी फ्यू 2 to 3 ऑप्शंस गिवन, आस्क्ड यू टू मार्क. पूछा जा सकता है कि कौन सा इनमें से गलत है. तो कंडीशंस देख लीजिए. टर्नओवर जो होना चाहिए, एनुअल टर्नओवर जो होना चाहिए वो 25 करोड़ यानी कि 25,000 crores 25,000 crores से ज्यादा होना चाहिए. 25,000 crores greater than 25,000 crores. It must be greater than 25,000 crores in the last 3 years. Last 3 years. Whatever data here is being asked, it will be for last 3 years. And the net profit of these companies must be greater than 5,000 crores for the last 3 years. Annual returns, annual net worth should be greater than 15,000 crores for the last 3 years. It must also be a Navratna company already. It must be listed in the stock exchange. It must be listed in the stock exchange under the guidelines of SEBI. These are the few important criteria steps to be remembered when it comes to forming a Maharatna company. Dash is the traditional musical instrument of Limbo community of Sikkim. SSC काफी obsessed है नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स और उनके डांस फॉर्म्स और उनके इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स के साथ. So you will have to memorize a few of them. Here the answer is Chayap Burung. This is a percussion instrument. It is kind of a drum. It is kind of a like this shape drum, which will have a belt which will have to wear around the neck, ये गले के across, and it is this instrument is touches your stomach, and it is there. Well, This is the best I can do here on the drawing. And what are these? Numati is a group dance of the Maya community. ये group dance है Numati. Numati. What about Jairum Sili? Jairum Sili is a group dance of Rai community. And Chutkai. Chutkai is a romantic dance form. Romantic group dance. Now, how many great powers Mahajanpadas existed in the 7th and the early 6th century BC before the lifetime of Lord Gautama Buddha? 16, 13, 11, 17. How many existed? How many great powers existed? Mahajanpadas existed in 7th and early 6th centuries BC during the lifetime of Lord Gautama Buddha. 16. The answer here is 16. I have listed them out for you here. With their modern day names, which is quite helpful. So please have a look at them. वो क्या बोल रहे देखिए. काशी, बनारस, कोसाल, लखनऊ, माला, गोरखपुर, वत्सा, इलाहाबाद, चेडी, कानपुर, कुरु, दिल्ली. ऐसे भी पूछा जा सकता है. This can also be asked. महा a great power Mahajanapada. Kuru is the name of modern day. ऑप्शंस देगा. न्यू दिल्ली, बिहार, साउथ बिहार, उज्जैन, जयपुर. तो आपको मार्क करना है कुरु के साथ दिल्ली को. या फिर मैच द फॉलोइंग में भी पूछा जा सकता है. यस, पांचाल, रोहिलखंड, मत्स्य, जयपुर. ये स्पेशली कुरु याद रखिए. यस, कोसाल, लखनऊ, यू हैव टू, काशी यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. काशी याद हो जाएगा. बनारस, मत्स्य, जयपुर, important one. Ashmak, Aurangabad, important one. Avanti, Ujjain, important. Ang, Champa, East Bihar, very important. Magda, South Bihar, very important. Vriji, North Bihar. Gandhar, Gandhara, Peshawar, important. Kamboj, northwestern Punjab, near Gandhara. Now, these are the 16 Mahajanapadas that existed during 7th and early 6th centuries in the time of Lord Gautama Buddha. Okay. Now, which of the following has strong fruity fragrance? This is something that we all have done. सब लोगों ने हमने intermediate में फिर PUC जिसने किया है, हमने देखा होगा ये सुन के fruity fragrance, वो जो कि हमें बिल्कुल कभी fruity नहीं लगा था. But ethyl acetate is the answer here. Ethyl acetate is the answer here. Name the gland that controls function of endocrine glands. Name the gland that controls the function of endocrine glands. Pancreas, pituitary glands, pineal glands, adrenal glands. The answer here is pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is also known as, yes, anyone who can recall, pituitary gland is also known as, in detail discuss करेंगे हम. अब we'll be discussing it in detail. Pituitary gland is also known as master gland. Master blaster है ये. Master gland. It is also known as master gland. If I have to bifurcate pituitary gland into 3 parts, then it would be anterior, intermediate, and posterior. But anterior, intermediate, and posterior. Intermediate is absent. We are not going to discuss intermediate because it is absent in adults. So we will be discussing anterior and posterior pituitary glands. इसमें कौन से हार्मोन सेक्रीट होते हैं? Let's have a look at it. Now anterior pituitary glands में एक HGH नाम का हार्मोन सेक्रीट होता है, which is human growth hormone. Human growth hormone. Yes, TSH नाम का, what is the function of human growth hormone? Human growth hormone is mainly responsible for the repair of the cells and is like growth, यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है तो it is also responsible for growth. TSH. TSH signifies, abbreviates as thyroid stimulating hormone. Thyroid stimulating hormone, which is responsible for influencing thyroid gland for release of thyroxine. What does it do? Influences thyroid gland to secrete thyroxine. Okay. Then we have ACTH. ACTH, anyone who can come up with the abbreviation here? Adrenocorticotropic hormone. ACTH ही याद रखना काफी है. You need not have to remember this. Just know if it is given in the option, then you must be able to recognize that ACTH stands for adrenocorticotropic hormone. What is it responsible for? It is responsible for, it influences adrenal glands to produce cortisol. भैया cortisol किससे related है? सबको पता ही होगा, पता होना चाहिए क्योंकि आपको हो रहा है काफी. Influences adrenal gland to produce cortisol. Cortisol is a stress hormone. Cortisol is a stress hormone. Adrenal gland, in which is the, ऐसे भी क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है, which is the hormone which influences adrenal gland to produce cortisol, then it is ACTH, that is adrenocorticotropic hormone. Yes. Now, adrenocorticotropic hormone influences adrenal gland. Adrenal gland is also responsible for our metabolism rate, to regulate our metabolism rate. Metabolism मतलब अपना the rate at which our body works, जो digestive system हमारा जिस अंदाज से work करता है, it is all about that, how fast we digest and everything. Now, and the other thing is, it also helps in regulating blood pressure. Now, this was about anterior ही खत्म हुआ है अभी, and anterior pituitary gland is done. Now we will deal with posterior pituitary gland. If we start talking about posterior pituitary gland, बहुत डीप जा रहे हैं ऐसा लग रहा होगा, लेकिन आपको यहाँ पे सिर्फ आपको छोटे पॉइंट्स पकड़ने हैं और उनको याद रखना है. यस, posterior pituitary glands produce ADH. It stands for antidiuretic hormone, which controls function of which is what? To maintain water balance in the body. Water balance in the body using the kidneys. ADH, antidiuretic hormone. Antidiuretic hormone is also known as, question पूछा जा सकता है. Yes, it is known as vasopressin. Yes. The another hormone produced by, important hormone produced by posterior pituitary glands is oxytocin, which is responsible for controlling uterine contractions and production of milk. Uterine contraction मतलब during the birth of the child, जब बच्चा होता है तो फिर यूट्रस को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होना पड़ता है और बच्चे को बाहर आने के लिए। तो यूट्राइन कॉन्ट्रैक्शन किससे रिलेटेड है डायरेक्टली? ऑक्सीटोसिन, द हार्मोन ऑक्सीटोसिन, एंड आल्सो मिल्क प्रोडक्शन। मिल्क प्रोडक्शन के साथ एक और ग्लैंड भी रिलेटेड है, वो है पीआरएल। वो यहाँ पे आता है, पीआरएल आता है। पीआरएल का एब्रिविएशन किसी को पता है? यस, इट इज प्रोलैक्टिन। इट इज प्रोलैक्टिन। एंड व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ प्रोलैक्टिन? Stimulation of milk in the breast. Milk in breast. Yes. So these were our 10 questions for the day. We went through them very quickly and we gained a lot of knowledge. बहुत कुछ सीखा हमने. So guys, जहाँ भी हो सके आपको pause it and watch it and take down the notes, whatever you can do, and stay in touch with GK, that is general knowledge section, जो भी है आपका current affairs और static GK, उसके साथ continuous touch में रही है, वरना वो आपकी उस गर्लफ्रेंड की तरह है जो अगर टच में ना रहे तो छोड़ के चली जाएगी. Yes, well guys, so these were the 10 questions of the day. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and share it among your friends and family if you are family name. Share it among your friends if you found the video useful. Thanks. I appreciate your time and patience so much. Hope to see you soon. Till then, take care and keep toiling.